So hello all, welcome back to another great video, and I'm Imran, you're watching Scientifically. And today we are going to see about ServiceNow CMDB 360. And what is CMDB 360? If you go to workspace, we can get to know that CMDB 360. For the basic thing I want to explain about CMDB 360 is it's all about to tracking the complete vision, to track the complete inventory of the CI updates. Inventory in the sense, what I'm trying to say. Um, See, if one CI having a one CI has been updated via ServiceNow. We yesterday also see that using IRE rule, discovery will be analyzed and using the IRE engine, which is reconcile engine, it will update. So according to that, it updates with the precedence of ServiceNow. Okay, the reconciliation rule according to that. So yeah, but if if it is it is another source which is SCCM, which is a Microsoft products, okay, one of the tool of Microsoft, and it is also discovering the same IC, same CI, and even AWS. And even though you are importing through which is a manual import, so it will be for one CI there are multiple kind of which is update will maybe come, maybe done in a which is instance in our service instance. So how the datas have been stored. So for that, before the Paris release of ServiceNow, this is a, it's quite which is quite invisible because it will update the latest data which it is uh, get from the which is IRE rules. So before the Paris release of ServiceNow, there are so much which is missing data regarding the history of the data from the discovery source. So after the Paris release, they have introduced that CMDB 360, which is let me refresh it. Yeah, this is CMDB home. Oh, yeah, fine. So to access CMDB 360, we have to do two things. One is we have to enable this system property. For system property, the backend name is sys underscore properties dot list. So I'm copied that. Oh, I'm sorry, I missed the yes. Yeah. So here I'm just pasting that what I copied here, and I'm searching for it. Yeah. See, the value is default by false. Let me change it as true as we have been instructed here. So let me save it. We can if you double tap, this is if you double tap this field, you can able to edit that, you know, like that. So it can be edited. So this is the list edit. You can find this trick in my previous video as well, which is I also mentioned in my previous videos. Yeah. So apart from this, you have to install the plugin called, which is I in the starting itself I have mentioned that we have to download ITOM license, which is, let me show that. Here you have to search ITOM here in the installed thing. See, ITOM Discovery license. This should be installed, downloaded, and installed. I previously done with the previous video. If you watch that, you can able to clearly I have mentioned this plugin. Yeah, we have made it true. We'll check once again. May refresh it. See, we can able to access this dashboard. Here you can able to see that potential issues and the number of discovery sources and the discovery source overview, and you have no CI reported by single discovery source for the selected filter. So as a PDI, we don't have any discovery source. We haven't done any discovery yet, so it's just making this here. So what is this saved query? And these are three CMDB 360 query, which is ServiceNow has been providing uh, these three default templates for the query. Query in the means this is by NLQ, and which is uh, it it uses a wording to it gives the report. I'll come to this point which is afterwards. Let me complete this, how to see this CMDB 360 and how to use it, and for that we have to dive into CMDB CA class manager. So I'm going here. See, here we'll go to hierarchy and we'll search for Windows Server. Yeah, we got it. So we'll go here and here let's open a one record. Yeah, we'll open this. Yeah, the record has been updated, which is open. So this is our yesterday we have updated using IRE, and this is what we have. Okay, see, let me refresh it. Here, if you check this in the related list, you can able to see that CMDB 360 data preview. Before activating the system property and the license, we couldn't able to see this CMDB 360 data preview. After activating this as a true, as an installing this item discovery license, we could be able to see this CMDB 360 data preview. Here, if I clicked here, you can able to see that the what are all the things have been updated from the discovery. See, these are all the attributes that have been updated. So these are all the wheel values. It has been updated from record page 1 to page 5. Page 1 to page 5 has been updated. Other than that, there is no update. There is no update in that in that for the specific this CI. So we can able to see that what are all the updates have been made for this CI in this CMDB 360. So okay, Imran. So what is the main key feature and what is the purpose of this CMDB 360? So for this, we can able to see the latest update as well as, and we can see the complete payloads of the which is uh, of, of the discovery source, which is it might be rejected or it might be which is accepted or not. That is not an issue. We can able to see uh, the all the discovery sources attributes in this CMDB 360. Kind of, for example, if one C, for example, we can take the C for SAP load B balance 01. We are getting discoveries, which is we are getting a discovery from ServiceNow and ServiceWatch and AWS, and for also which is SCCM, which will take the precedence, obviously ServiceNow. So what are all the datas have been, what are the attributes have been retrieved by ServiceNow, that will take the precedence and update the CM. The rest for discovery source will be rejected. On that note, it will stores the entire, which is entire these three data, sorry, discovery source data in this CMDB 360. So if you find any discrepancy in the specific CI, like any kind of the values are not right, and if you found that it is a discrepancy, and you can able to uh, recompute this discovery with the others, which is if you want you can able to recompute with other data, other discovery source. So this is how it works. And the part of thing, so let's uh, yeah, the part of thing we'll go and see that how it works. Yeah, we are here in CMDB CA class manager. Here we are going to see about reconciliation rule. See, you can able to see that preview rule, preview data, and recompute. Here, preview rule, let me click this. These are all the rules you have been given as a, which is reconciliation rule. Okay, so these are the rule you can able to see it. And if you click the preview data, these are all the datas for the, which is for this Windows server first server, or this is the second server, and this is the load balance 01. Okay, or SOP, yeah, I'll take this. Yeah, these are the attributes, which is datas of the specific CI. So for this class, which is for this Windows Server class, you want to recompute, which is you found that this class has been not updated as per the our expectation. So you have to click this recompute. See what is recompute type. So replace the value by the specific discovery source with the value from the discovery source next in the priority accordance to the reconcile rule. So we have given the reconcile role as first priority as a ServiceNow, and second priority as a ServiceWatch, and third priority as a kind of a, we'll take it as a SCCM. Okay, so this, if you're choosing this option, it will update according to the priority, which is priority you fixed under second priority, which is under the reconcile rule. If you if you set the second priority as a service watch, it will update the service watch. If you give this, which is if you apply updated reconcile rule, if you give this, CMDB 360 data is not updated. See, if you click this and give to the if you yeah if you give this and recompute only CA in the class, yeah, if you choose what is the recompute CA this class and the derived class, or this only the class and the derived class along with the selected related list. So if you click means you have to click the all the related lists like that. So if I'm clicking this, okay, and I'm choosing that uh, okay, wait, let me check it. What is our credential less discovery? Yeah, I'll choosing this and let me preview. See, there are total number of records to be recomputed 0, and number of Windows Server record to be recomputed is 0. Number of related record to be recomputed to be 0. See why this everything is 0? Because we haven't done anything we haven't done any discovery for this specific class, right? So for that reason it just showing like this. So in the protection or any kind of thing, or in your working forum, you'll be having this set of active, which is it may be 100 or 50 or 20 like that. So you have to click this recompute, and a recompute operation for records for this class is currently progressing. So what is actually doing here means we are making the priority 2, which is a priority 2, and which is whatever the priority 2 gets the value, that value is updating now in the CI. For example, I'm saying ServiceNow gets the value of RAM as a 60 GB, and the countless discovery is getting the value of around 32 GB. So you have found out that ServiceNow bought the data as a wrong. So you just going back to recompute, and you just clicking that, and you'll just making the entire class to be recompute with a priority 2, which is credential-less discovery, which is this credential-less discovery has, which is RAM updated of 32 GB. So you found that this is the right and just updating it. So this is how CMDB 360 will work here. Let me click here. See, it creates a multi-source recompute task. It creates a task and loading data into item recompute. It's actually working now. No, it's completed, I think. Yeah. See the close complete. It has been completed. This started loading items to recompute. The computation has been completed. Yeah. This is how when workload has been updated. So as of now, there is no which is credential-less discovery has been found for this class, right? So that's the reason it just having this kind of which is these are the we don't have any CI has been updated here. So in a production or any if you're working in any forum, it will works accordingly. Okay. So let's come into this part, which is um, CMDB 360, which is a create query. So this is the thing which we can able to see. I just want to say one thing. In this recomputation task, it takes which is only around, which is only 100,000 CAs per time, which is about 1 lakh CAs at a time, which is for one recompute task. Okay, it creates only it updates only 1 lakh CIs for one time of recompute. Okay, make that a note for you, and we'll dive into that the query part, right? Yeah, this one. We have already seen that ServiceNow itself having three inbuilt data queries, which is, sorry, CMDB 360 queries. What is that? Find CMDB 360 data. See, like that, I want to get CMDB 360 data. So you are want to see that, um, you want to see that what are all the source for this specific classes has been, uh, for example, let me go for server. For the server, let's type Windows Server. Yes. Yeah, CMDB server. So for this server, we can also add another as well. Okay. So as of now, I'm just choosing Apache Web Servers and server. So let's go to discovery sources. So if you want address, health monitoring, and import set, I'm going to choose ServiceNow and the Service Watch and these other things. So for this class, which is for server and web server, I need to know the entire list of discovery sources attributes. So let me go into results, show unique CMDB data, show CA to discovery source. Yeah, we need show CA records by discovery source. Let's name it as all 360 CMDB 360 data. Yeah, we'll save it as, let's save. Yes, query has been created successfully. So we'll come here. Let me refresh it. It doesn't update yet. Yeah, see, all CMDB records. Let me run it. See, we can able to see that the query results. Let's wait. Multi-source record. So as of now, we don't have anything because we haven't do anything right. So you can able to find you can able to catch the concept, right? So we'll go to this. So compare attributes value. What is this? What is this type? See, I want to compare the attribute value between discovery sources or against the value of the CMDB. Let me choose the same server. Me. Okay. Yeah, we have choose that server. So select fields, make classes is server classes. Continue. Every attribute doesn't mix. Can choose can choose all the attributes, choose any attributes. We'll go to discovery source. See what we are currently doing. We are going to we are going to compare. We are going to compare 360. We have saved it. Let me create this also. What is find gap? Find gap, which is let me refresh it. Does it loads or not? You all query saved queries. Yeah, compare 360 also is there. So here, what is find gap? I want to find the gap in the data between discovery sources. What is gap? Actually, it is a gap between what is um, kind of. So what is CMDB gap data? So for example, if one source which is identifying the data, which is identifying the CI, and another source and identifying which is there is no CI, like for the service now it's identifying it's an IP switch, and another source which is for example service watch, it's not it's returning there is no kind of CI like that. So for example, let me server. Yeah, episode. Yeah. Let's go over these two classes and see. We are going to select address and service now. See, we are going to compare these two, which is reporting discovery and non non-reporting discovery source, which is uh, these attribute this address is reporting as a discovered receipt, but ServiceNow it reporting as non-discoverable thing. Just it reporting it reports as discovery is not found. So we are going to see that how it works. And gap 360. Let's save it from here. And these are all the three queries which is used to have it in a CMDB query, which is CMDB query. So we can able to see all the CMDB C360 data. Here we can compare one source and another source, and the gap which is we can able to see that if the one source is reporting as a CI is available and another source is our reporting as CI is not delivered not available. Like that we can able to see that. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, give me a comment, like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much. We'll get into it. Another great video. Thank you. Take care. Tada. Bye bye.